We live in an exciting era of increasing dynamism, where constant innovation is a requirement and the need for sustainable solutions is paramount for building a brighter tomorrow. Here at Turbo Power Systems, we are constantly innovating in cutting-edge technologies for multiple applications in transport, energy, industrial, and defense markets. Turbo Power Systems, or TPS, is a technology-led company that focuses on two main systems: ultra-efficient power electronics and high-speed permanent magnet machines. For railway applications, we develop bespoke power electronic solutions to deliver global rolling stock projects. We cater to a complete spectrum of rolling stock platforms, including light rail, monorail, intercity and regional, locomotive, metro, and high speed. Our broad product portfolio includes auxiliary power supply equipment, power converters, low voltage power supplies, battery chargers, and also traction systems for rail applications. Our highly qualified service staff are always ready to provide you with full support in maintenance, repair, and overhaul services. In our projects, we've successfully utilised technologies which allow the train to use power from different sources, including overhead line equipment, third rail and fourth rail, diesel-electric engine, and battery power, allowing the trains to run on both electrified and non-electrified routes. TPS is at the forefront of developing a smart power conversion technology that interconnects the rail network, renewables, and the electricity grid. We offer best-in-class systems to power mission-critical applications and onboard electronics for passenger comfort. We deliver turnkey solutions and are fully committed to establishing long-term and mutually beneficial relationships with our customers. TPS has over 30 years of experience in developing best-in-class power conversion systems for railway applications. We've successfully executed more than 50 rolling stock projects worldwide, many of them with complex challenges. Here at TPS, each day is a chance to make the world better by helping your business to develop more sustainable solutions. To find out more about Turbo Power Systems' innovative rail solutions, email us on info@turbopowersystems.com or call us on +44 0191 482 9200. Turbo Power Systems, powering intelligent solutions.